Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I'm Elise London, and for those who do know me, welcome back guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this curly bob wig that got sent to me from Elva Hair. And I'm going to leave all the hair information down below in the description box, as well as the link to purchase it. So I'm not going to do much talking in today's video. I'm going to leave everything down below in the description box for you. And if you enjoyed watching today's video, please leave a big like and a comment, let me know your thoughts, and subscribe to my channel for future videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys, and stay safe.